So ayun na, at yung kaya pahuliin dyan. Adarta ko pa, ako ba na milyari kilub, ako mang kayabe. Kaya ni Nika. So na milyari kilub,
Kalagunang Riz.
Riz Witherspoon?
Lansa.
Riz ng Sangan. Na milyari, may kapag-shoot kayo?
Nakapag-shoot kami for the first time.
So, pasensya na. Kaya kumiyakada ng kagad ako magdala kayong camera.
At kaya Bemi guy, Jericho Orseo.
Si Jericho na din, alright. So, arin din shots.
Nakarita mo guys?
Nahuli Angel University for the Aslag
Beats and Bites!
Aslag Beats and Bites. We've been invited to judge their food. Ila lang mag-judge. Di ako nandalat yung camera kasi maganda ka.
Different countries lang rin genre na ni...
Genre.
Different countries. So, punta lang lalaba. Red ang countries sa red. Let's go.
Pasalali yung mga grades ninyo dito. Sandali
Okay lang magpa-picture?
So ganito tayo sa Wellington University. Don't just make events, but let events happen. One.
Mukbang video. Hindi mga mukbang video.
Since it's Italian food, is it made out of real Italians?
Sometimes, most of the time, you know what I'm saying? Ay naman John.
Made by Bello. Ako may lunch.
Ay naman John.
Made by Bello.
Twenty minutes later.
Uy, ta!
Na?
May chayay.
Thank you very much, King
Aslag, Holy Angel University,
Yes.
SHTM.
Thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye.
I love how you talk.